A businessman was trying to sell an old factory. The building had been vacant for months and had degenerated quite badly. Vandals had broken many of the windows and kicked in several doors. Trash was everywhere. As he was showing the property to a prospective buyer, the businessman promised, "Before you take possession, I'll repair the windows and doors, check the furnace and roof, and get the place cleaned up." Our efforts to earn salvation are about as futile as sweeping out an old factory and replacing the windows before the wrecking ball swings into action. The best of our good works can never satisfy the righteous demands of a holy God and earn our salvation. We need a complete change. When it comes to salvation, God does not want our trivial moral efforts. He wants our trust in His beloved Son. When we repent and believe on Jesus, God makes all things new, as it says in 2 Corinthians 5:17. He doesn't want the old building. He is interested in the site and in receiving our permission to build a new life as only He can do. Salvation is not turning over a new leaf, but receiving a new life.